There's Lake Michigan. We're at Lake Forest Beach now. I don't know if you can see all the smoke coming off the water from the heat because the water temperature is so much warmer. Might as well go down here. Nobody else is, but. So using the Osmo Pocket 3 with the wireless mic, so hopefully that comes out well. So this is a walking path. I think those people are actually going to jump in the water, even though it's just cold. So you can see it's all icy, cold. Hopefully you can see the smoke coming off the water. I really think they're jumping in. I can see way out there all the steam coming off the water. There's the road I came in at. There's the people out in the water. Hopefully you can see them out there. It is so cold and they're just doing it for fun, I guess. There's the rocks. I can't go on those because they're too icy. Oh, here you can see the water temperature versus the air temperature. Hopefully it's staying steady. I am like literally shaking. It is so cold out. Here's the Lake Forest stairs. Looking back, those people down there said they do the polar plunge too. These stairs go so far up. That's a nice viewing area. Better in the summer. Gotta watch for the step there. You go down and then back up. Woo, chilly. The top of the stairs, Lake Forest Beach. You can see them going down here. And this is only part of it. This is only the first half. And then Lake Michigan out there. -5 today, -23 wind chill. You can see the steam coming off the lake. So continuing on the walkway here. I've never done this in the winter. I thought there was a place that kicked out that you could go onto. Maybe it's down much further. There's the concession stand, lifeguard stand. It's funny because winter up until this point was so warm, the water's not frozen, but the air out here is so cold. So if you can see that thing in the center, I don't know what that pipe is, but it's all frozen over. It's weird to be walking on the beach, mid-January, -5 temperature, -23 wind chill. Hoping the mic picks up the sound of the waves coming in. Probably a better view from this side of the steam. It's in 4K, so it should pick up all that steam coming out. Or coming up. Like there's little barnacles on the ground. Oh, they could be zebra mussels actually. There's the stairs over there looking back. See all the ice on here. All the icicles. Got a thick layer on the top there too. And the water's coming up here. Oh, there it is. See all the rocks. All the steam coming off the water. Whoop! That one came pretty close. Too bad the fireplace isn't going today. See all the icicles there. That would be nice. No such luck. Walking back to the car now. They have these paved bricks, which are nice, but they're kind of under ice right now, or at least sections of them are. One last look at Lake Michigan. Looks like a lighthouse out there. I don't know which one that one is. Oh, well, I don't think that's Kenosha. I don't think we can see that far. There's Lake Michigan. And here's the stairs that I climbed.